In this video, I'll show you how to create a second Facebook Business Manager account step by step. If you manage multiple businesses, creating a separate business manager helps keep your pages, ad accounts, and business assets organized. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with your Facebook account. Next, click your business profile in the top corner and look for the option to YAT, Create Business or Add Business, depending on your account version. Enter your new business name, your name, and a business email address. Then click Create. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your new business manager. Once it's created, you can add your Facebook pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, pixels, and other business assets. You can also invite team members and assign the appropriate permissions from business settings. Keep in mind that Meta limits the number of business manager accounts a person can create based on account history and policy compliance. If you don't see the option to create another business, you may have reached your account limit. That's how you can create a second Facebook Business Manager account. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.